Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are safe and healthy. So today we're making bakery style dry fruit cake. So first take 100 grams of melted butter and beat it well. Now add in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and keep beating. Next add in the eggs. Here goes in 50 grams of grounded almonds. Add in a cup of all-purpose flour. Here I'm folding the batter. You can beat if you want to. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Last but not the least, add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well and then shift it to the greased baking pan. Here you can see that the sponge is completely baked. As spreading the glaze, you can use honey or jam. Now top the sponge with your favorite dry fruits. Atop the cake using almonds, cashews and pistachios. That's all for today. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tempting videos. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.